Working with the catalog in Destiny involves both the Catalog tab and the Back Office tab. For this segment of the tutorial video, we'll set up material types and their circulation policies. To set up material types, please select Back Office and Library Policies. On this page, you can set up and edit patron types and circulation types. To set up materials, select Circulation Types. Circulation types may be audiovisual, equipment, reference, and more. To set a new type, select Circ Type. Name your circulation type, and then consider your parameters. How long will the loan period be? Will there be a grace period? Will you allow renewals? Will there be fines? Also consider which of your patron types will have access to this material. You can customize all parameters according to your patron type. When you're happy with your new circulation type, hit Save. Editing is just as easy. Again, from the Circulation Types page, identify your circulation type and select the pen and pencil, or paper and pencil icon. Open it back up and make any changes you find necessary. You can also make a circulation type hidden. This means that your patrons will not be able to view on a search this circulation type. Deleting materials in Destiny is easy. They may be deleted individually or by batch. First, click Catalog and then Update Copies. Be sure to first click Track as Weeded for a record, and be aware before deleting, all records connected to this copy will be deleted as well, including circulation records, fines owed, and holds. For deleting copies individually, simply scan or type in the barcode number. Be certain you are ready to delete. Once you hit go, the material is instantly deleted. Your only record will be in your weeding track. You can also batch delete. Selecting the Batch Delete tab, you would browse for and upload your already created item. Be sure to track as weeded, and be aware that once you click Update, again, all records connected to these copies, including circulation records, fines, and holds, will be deleted. To add materials in Destiny, you have 3 different routes, depending on the source of your materials and your records. You'll begin for each of these at the Catalog tab. If you've bought books from a jobber, you're going to select Import Titles. And here, you're going to select Strict Title Matching, replacing the existing title if the incoming title is better, skip the incoming copy if the barcode matches. This is extremely important so you don't end up with a duplication. Then, starting barcode, you will generally skip unless you're having Destiny do all of your barcoding. Assign copy information is important to update. Select Update and select Based on Call Number. Otherwise, you're going to have to go back and make a lot of adjustments. Select your vendor. For example, you may have gotten your books from Follett. And your funding source. This also is very important. State Media, for example, may be where your books came from. Then click OK. This returns you to your page, and we can see our settings based on call number, Follett, and funding source. Then browse for your document of MARC records. You may have this on a CD, You may have saved it to your desktop. Limit the job summary details to errors and warnings will minimize weeding through an entire document. When you click Import, your books will now be part of your library's inventory. To add titles manually, you'll begin at the Catalog tab and select Add Title. Here, you can search for a pre-existing record. I'm going to select ISBN, and you can scan or type in your ISBN number. In Cobb County, we are encouraged to use the county record, which is indicated by a little red schoolhouse. Click the hyperlink. Here you can examine the full record. Sometimes you'll have a number of county verified records to use, so you may want to look at which one you find best suits you. You can also look at how many others have used this specific record in the county. Click Copies, and you can see what other schools have that copy. Add Copy allows you to make it your own. Put in your barcode, your call number, the price of the book, your circulation type, the date on which you acquired it, any notes that you might wish to add, such as signatures by an author, or if the cover might be a unique one. Be certain to include what vendor you received your book from and what funds paid for the book. When you've completed your record, hit Save Copy. When searching for Scholastic books, you will often find that the ISBN number does not exist. You may have to search by title. You may also find that no such title exists, or that the book you are looking for does not exist yet in the system. The system will search, and if you don't find the right title, you come here to click Add the Title. Here you can use the Easy Editor, which is strongly preferred by the county, or the Mark Editor, at which you can put in full information. Please remember that Cobb County has a centralized system, a union system, for creating MARC records, and they prefer that we not create our own. Cobb County does not allow its media specialists to individually correct MARC records. However, to submit a request, go to the Library Media page for the county, under Destiny, Cataloging, Cataloging Maintenance and Cleanup. Helpful information is found on this page, ending with District Catalog Maintenance Request. From this new page, you may scroll to the bottom to open the Catalog Maintenance Request form to complete and submit your request for a change in MARC records. Our final segment then is authority files. There's not a direct access to authority files in Destiny, but if you go to Reports and Report Builder, you can build a new report to satisfy this need. I'm going to begin with titles and select Author and Material Type. Material type will allow you to segregate these so that you can look at just your books, for example. I'm going to group these by material type first, and then by author. There's no columns to specify, and very little to specify in my report. You do not need to check counts, nor do you need limiters. You do, however, want to give your report a title, authors held, and perhaps even a description, and then save and run your report. Save your report means that you'll be able to next time just click that report and not have to create it over again. My report completed. I can open my report file and see all of the authors alphabetically listed that are held in my library. I can go back again, Reports, Report Builder, create a new report of titles. This time I'm going to select Title, Subtitle, and Material Type. Again, I'm going to group by material type first, so I can more easily identify my books, and then my true aim, which is title and subtitle. Again, I don't need to establish counts, nor limiters, but I do want to give a name, titles held, and possibly a description. Save and run. Refresh list. And while we're in progress, our completed list is viewed. My report of all titles held in my library. Thank you for viewing my tutorial.